Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making this creamy and delicious chicken pasta. If you're interested in seeing how it's done, then keep on watching. First, I am going to boil the pasta. I am going to prepare a pot with some water. Add about a teaspoon of salt, let it come to a boil, and then add the pasta. So guys, once the pasta is cooked, I am going to drain the water and set it aside. Next, I will be using 3 chicken breasts. I am going to slice them in the middle. Next, I am going to use a meat tenderizer to flatten the meat a bit so that it takes less time to cook. I didn't like how this part of the chicken was looking, so I am going to go ahead, use a knife and cut it off. You can see that little blood in it. Yes, I am just going to remove it all together. So after tenderizing my meat, I washed it with lime and vinegar. Next, I am going to season my meat with some onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, red crushed pepper, some lemon pepper seasoning, garlic and herb blend, and some Jamaican all-purpose seasoning. I am going to use my hands to rub all that seasoning in and make sure that it is well seasoned. Next, I am going to add about 2 cups of all-purpose flour in a bowl. Add some all-purpose season, or you can season to your liking. I am going to crack about 2 eggs in a bowl, mix it together. I will be using this as a coating for the chicken. Next, I am going to add some breadcrumbs in a bowl. I will be using this as a final coating for the chicken. I am using this so that it can have that crunchy taste. This is completely optional. You do not have to use this. I will also be adding some Parmesan cheese to it to give it that cheesy flavor. So guys, the next step is to prepare the chicken to be fried. First, I am going to coat it in the flour. Next, I am going to coat it in the egg, and then the final coating is in the breadcrumbs. I'm just repeating the process for the remaining of the chicken. Next, I am going to begin frying the chicken on medium to high heat. I am going to allow them to fry for about 5 to 8 minutes on each side or until golden brown. Guys, remember that I sliced the chicken breast earlier, so it won't take a long time to be fried. Y'all, just take a minute and look at those chicken breasts. They are golden brown and look how crispy they look. So next, I am going to begin preparing the pasta. First, I am going to drizzle some olive oil in a pot, add my seasoning. I will be adding some chopped onion, some red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and some garlic. I am going to let that saute for about 5 minutes. I am adding about a teaspoon of garlic paste. This is completely optional. You do not have to use it. Next, I'm adding 2 cups of heavy cream and 1 cup of chicken broth. I am going to let that cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, I'm adding some Parmesan cheese, parsley flakes, some red crushed pepper for a little heat, and some all-purpose season. You can season to your liking. I am going to let that cook for another 2 minutes. I am going to add some heavy cream because I want my pasta extra creamy. I am adding some grated Parmesan cheese. You can taste and adjust your sauce to your liking as you go along. Next, I am going to begin adding the pasta to the sauce and mix it together. I am adding some parsley flakes, some grated Parmesan cheese, some pepper, and a little bit of chili powder for heat. I am going to mix it well and adjust the taste to my liking as I go along. goodness. So I did reserve some of the sauce earlier to add to the chicken. Next, I will be adding some dried parsley flakes, some grated Parmesan cheese. I just want to add that little razzle dazzle on top, you feel me? Guys, it was a pleasure making this dish. It was so tasty. I love it, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video. And most importantly, don't forget to give this recipe a try. Until next time, bye guys.